In today's video, I'm going to teach you Semrush Market Explorer, how to find competitors. We'll walk through how to use the Market Explorer tool inside Semrush to quickly discover who your real online competitors are and how big their presence is compared to yours. By the end, you'll have a clear competitor list you can use for your marketing and SEO strategy. First, log into your Semrush account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different tool categories. Hover your mouse over the option labeled Traffic and Market. When you hover there, a secondary panel will appear with more options. In that expanded panel, scroll down until you find the section called Market. Under this Market section, click on Market Overview. This is the area where Semrush lets you explore an entire market or niche, rather than just a single site. On the Market Overview page, you'll see a main input field where you can type in a domain. Go ahead and enter your own website's domain. If you don't have a site yet, you can instead enter the domain of a well-known competitor in your niche. Once you've typed it in, click the Analyze button. Now, Semrush will start pulling in data for that market. This can take a little while, especially for larger industries, so give it a moment to fully load. When everything is ready, you'll see a detailed overview of the market built around that domain. Next, scroll down the page until you see a card labeled Growth Quadrant. This is one of the most useful visualizations for spotting competitors at a glance. Here, Semrush automatically plots competing websites into 4 categories on a graph. Game changers are fast-growing companies with strong traffic momentum. These might be newer or rapidly scaling competitors to watch closely. Leaders are the established brands that already have both high traffic and high growth. They usually dominate the space. Niche players are smaller or more specialized websites that attract lower traffic but may serve very specific segments. Established players are known brands with steady, consistent traffic, even if they're not growing quickly. Underneath that quadrant, scroll down a bit further to find the share of market chart. This view shows you exactly what percentage of the total industry traffic each competitor owns. It's a quick way to see who holds the biggest slice of attention in your market. You can then export this list directly from Semrush. Save it as your official competitor checklist and use it as the foundation for deeper research, content ideas, and strategic planning. And that's it. You've now used Semrush Market Explorer to find and organize your key competitors.